this is the official mascot of King Momo this year. It has a relation to Goa because we see it in our own houses, on top of the houses, and it also imbibes the colors of Carnival. So this is a special thing. I've also be roaming with the gumot, which is also the traditional Goan music instrument of Carnival. Once Carnival starts, we'll hear the gumot more and more. I've also imbibed the Kunbi kapod in the outfit for the first time. If you see the stripes on my gown, this is done by my designer, Mrs. Verma Dimelo, who's here. And this is for the first time I'm supporting as King Momo the traditional Kunbi kapod of the core Goenkas, Mud Goenka Ramchasa. तांचे कापड आहे आणि त्या आमी वयर मान दिवपाचो थरयला.